What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Level Up Classics. As you know, we've been working our way around the car, taking off all the body parts to prepare for paint. Today, we're going to be removing the front bumper on our Porsche 911 964. Before we begin, hit that subscribe button to support my channel. Today, we're going to start off on the driver's side wheel well. Grab a Phillips screwdriver and remove these screws. Here, here, a couple more along here, and some more here. And one up there. There's 10 screws in here. I was doing it by hand, and I said, forget it, I gotta get my impact driver. So, use an impact driver if you have one. If you need help to jack up your car, check out my other video on how to lift your 964. Once all the screws are out, the wheel well pulls right out. Next, grab an 8mm deep socket, 1/4-inch drive ratchet, and an extension. And we're going to remove 3 bolts holding the top of the bumper. Once you take these 3 bolts out, a mounting bracket will come out, so don't lose that bracket. Now we move to the passenger side. Remove all the screws within the wheel well tube. Here, 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 a few along the bottom, and a few more along the bumper. Pull out the wheel well liner to expose the 3 8mm bolts. Now remove those 8mm bolts. It's time to hit the floor. There's 10 screws on the bottom too. Here's a tip. If you have some screws that have been scraped, you will need a Dremel to cut a new slot to remove the screw with the flathead. I had 2 screws that were shaved down, most likely from speed bumps or driveways. Here's the 2 screws that I had to cut. Now to the top. Pop the hood. We want to lift the rubber seal to expose 4 Phillips underneath this seal. Here's a closer look at those bolts. The top screws will be the last because we don't want the bumper to come loose and fall on us. Here's another tip. Get a blanket so we can softly drop your front bumper on so it doesn't get damaged. My helper came a little early too, but the bumper was still able to sit on the blanket. Now, here's the tricky part. We will need to stick our hands into the bumper and unplug the blinkers and the fog lights. If you have headlight squirters, unhook them from the bumper support bar. You will need to get a pair of pliers to unclip the ends of these tubes. They're held on by some permanent tube clamps, so it'll take a little bit to unhook, but you can pry them off with a pair of pliers. Here's a closer look at those clamps. You can also remove it from right here in the middle. Here are your blinkers and your fog light connectors. And there you have it. We have removed the front bumper. Stay tuned for more videos and updates on the cars. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Check out my links below and don't forget to keep leveling up.